I don't look crazy, but I purposely wanted to show y'all this so y'all could see the before. I just got done working out and today's wash day. Let's get into it. Okay, so washed my hair in the shower, detangled, did all that, and put it in 4 sections. This month, I am trying a thing. The goal is to do the same hairstyle for the month, but use different tools and see which one works the best. So this month I'm going to be focusing on perm rod and flexi rod sets. Now, a flexi rod set, I got you, no issue. Perm rod, which is what we're doing today, it's like, I think I have it, and then when I unravel them, it's like, oh girl, no. So we're gonna see how it turns out today. And I am going to be using, I think this is how you say, Miche to set my hair. It's the gel to foam styling mousse. My friend purchased this for me, never used it, but I've seen some good things on Instagram about it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Got my spray bottle just in case I need more water. And I'm using the trusty old orange perm rods today. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm going to do this on non-stretched hair, and probably in a couple of weeks I'll do it on stretched hair, just to show you the difference between like length and longevity. Typically when I do a set that starts off wet, I should say, it lasts a little bit longer. But regardless, I'm typically a girl who only keeps a hairstyle for 7 to 10 days because I do believe in washing my hair weekly. So that's me. If that's not your ministry, that's cool, but that's what I do over here in my household. So let's get started. I am going to put in some leave-in conditioner, just a tad. Get my handy Felicia Leatherwood brush. So I follow the directions on products. That's why you see me reading this. I have found that I have a better result when I follow the directions that are on the bottle instead of just feeling my way through. Not saying that I haven't, but this is what I have found. Let's get into this. It's about 4 pumps right there. Emulsify. It's like a fresh, fruity. I couldn't do it. It smells good though, so ain't mad at that. Perm rod. The thing about a good set is making sure that hair is laying flat and smooth on the perm brush. Okay, we in there. Moving along. So it looks like I'm back. I just need to do the front and then set up the dryer. All the rollers are in. I'm tired. 360 turn. I'm about to go get a snack and sit under my dryer for at least an hour. I'll show you the end result later. Okay, so I am back and I believe my hair is fully dry. I ended up staying under the dryer for about an hour and 30 minutes. I know, that's not everybody's ministry. I get it, yes, it was hot, but I did it because I wanted to make sure my set was setting. So I'm gonna take these down and hopefully my hair comes out the way that I need it to. If not, it is what it is. I'm gonna make it work. But let's take down a couple just so you can see. And then I'll probably speed it up. Okay. So that's the first little curl right there. Let's do this one. So these are dry. And I realized as I was doing this, the setting foam that I used said gel to foam, And so this is probably going to have a more firmer hold, which is cool. It's gonna last longer, hopefully. But I'm interested to see over the next couple of weeks how that may change if I use different products. So, anyway, I'm going to speed this up and then come back with the final look. Okay, so this is what I look like. Just taking out the rollers, and I can definitely tell that it's definitely gel in that product. And the Miche, because the whole, I just feel it is a little crispy, but not in a bad way. So I am going to unravel, because I'm not leaving my hair like this, but I'm not going to unravel it too much because it's nighttime. I'm about to put on my bonnet. There's no point in me separating too much. So I am going to spray some of this So Sheer Genius Deeper Than Hair Brilliant Shine. Even though it's shiny on its own, like it doesn't need anything extra, but I just want to do it because that's what I want to do. So, spray this. This smells so good. So good. For its free definition. So let us do this. So you always separate and then curl, and the way the curl is curling, like I said, I do my hair for me, and typically I like the outcome. Now I've had some fumbles. You probably see me fumble on here, but that's the joy of not paying anybody else. Well, I don't know if that's the joy, because I do like getting my hair done, don't get me wrong. But mind saving a book either. I can do it myself. Like this. I know it's gonna last me. Well, I hope it lasts me. So this is the final look for today. Like I said, I'm literally going to put on my bonnet and go to sleep. It's nighttime, and I'm not gonna do anything more right now. Eventually I may like put some edge control on, probably not. It's not really my ministry all the time. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but turn around and show you the back. So this is how it looks. I don't know what it looks like back there because I don't have a camera right here in front of me. But hopefully I spaced it far enough apart where you can't see all these spaces. If I didn't, I'll fix it. But yeah, I used about 40 something rollers in total because each section, and I have 4, had about 12 rods in there. So yeah, I think it turned out really good. For me, this is actually probably one of my best flexi rods, and if I had videos I would show you. It's very smooth, and I think that has a lot to do with this product. So I think she's a keeper. We'll see as the days go on. Like I said, I wash my hair every 7 to 10 days. So if it lasts me at least 7, then I'll be good. I'm the type of person who will add a roller in here and there. And it needs to be, you know, I gotta go to work and look some type of presentable. But other than that, I just let it do what it do. But like I said, next video I will be doing the perm rod, not perm rods, flexi rods, and I may just try this with the perm rod, flexi rods, goodness. Or if I'm looking to do something else, I'll use my good old trusty, the Dew. But if you have other products that maybe enhance my flexi rod, put them down in the comment section, and I'll think about using them. So this was a win for me. Tell me what you think, and check out this one. My other videos. I only got a few, but yeah, thanks for tuning in. It's been real. If you haven't read my shirt, this is how I live my life. So hope you can do the same. No, but for real, be blessed, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.